Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to create a PayPal invoice. First thing first, go to paypal.com and log in with your account credentials. From the top menu, click Send and Request. On the next page, click More from the submenu, then select Create an Invoice from the options available. On the invoicing page, click Create Invoice in the upper right corner. Fill out your invoice details including template, bill to, items, message to customer, more options, invoice settings, and payment options. Before sending, click the three dots next to the Send button if you want to share a link to the invoice, save a draft, and save as template for future use. When ready, click Send and your customer will receive the invoice via email. After sending, wait for your customer to pay through PayPal. Payments are tracked in your account under invoicing so you always know the status. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.